Here we have the Pro7 COCO cube made by JIFFY. Really convenient secondary stage potting on product to make your plants thrive before putting them into your pot for full-term growth. Really easy to use, really convenient. They just expand with a nutrient solution. Simply mix up your nutrient solution. We're using here a solution mixed with root stim and first feed from Vitalink. You can use anything you want, pre-mixed, and then you pour it into the cube or on the cube. If you're doing a number of these, just simply put them in a tray, pour the solution into the tray and let it soak up the solution. Very simple to use. That will soak up now. We're pouring this like this just to show you, but ideally you just have them in a tray and pour it into the tray and leave them for a while, let it soak up. This is just for speed to show you. And there we have it, ready to plant. That's the COCO cube from Pro7. Here's one that we did earlier. You just put your plug straight in, either a JIFFY plug or a Pro7 plug, or as we've got here, a root it plug. Pop it in with your plants that have already propagated. And then once it's rooted through, the great thing about the net is it air prunes as well, meaning that your roots won't go around as they do in a pot, but will go out and stop, which when you pot on into a larger container means your roots will then come straight out and grow a lot faster and be a lot stronger plant. So this is then ready for your mid-stage growing to then put into a flood and drain system or put into a pot once it's established.